This is Redfeather from Grep Haxs. In this Kdenlive video, we will be talking about title clips and black borders. Notice the photo I have brought into Kdenlive via Add Clip, and take notice of the black borders. After dropping it on the Kdenlive timeline, I could go to the effects list and add an effect to remove black borders. Instead of doing that, let us use the title clip feature in Kdenlive. In the project window, click the drop down arrow, scroll down to add title clip and click. Once the title clip window opens, go to the add photo option of Kdenlive title clip and click. Go to the photo you would like to use in the Kdenlive title clip and click, and then click open. Notice once I have brought my photo into the Kdenlive title clip, it appears to have some preset configuration. Also, you may notice that the photo is on its side. It needs to be rotated. But also notice this new Kdenlive interface. Actually, it is not that new in Kdenlive, but I have only briefly mentioned it in prior videos. This new interface in the Kdenlive title clip gives you the easy opportunity to rotate your photo among other things. So in the right panel of the Kdenlive title clip, go to the rotate Z function. Rotate the photo, leaving an area visible in order to grab the photo for realignment. Then in the Kdenlive title clip, grab the photo with your mouse cursor and drag it, aligning it to the top right corner or left, depending the area that you want to focus on. Our main focus is the puppy. Once this is done in the Kdenlive title clip, adjust the rotate Z further in order to bring the photos straight. Now I am not suggesting that all photos will come into the Kdenlive title clip at this exact preset, as there are all kinds of dimensional things to consider. Although this new feature does give you the opportunity to make any and all adjustments in the Kdenlive title clip. For example, in the Kdenlive title clip window, you can adjust your x-axis. This moves things left or right, or the y-axis that moves things up or down, and or adjust height and width. In the right panel of the Kdenlive title clip, you can adjust the zoom in or out and also adjust rotation using the Z function. There are also other functions, but they do not pertain to this video. Once you are happy with all your adjustments in the Kdenlive title clip, click OK. This will place your photo into the Kdenlive project bin. Now notice the difference in the photos on the timeline. Both the same photo, so it appears two things have happened by using this Kdenlive process. One, by having all the necessary tools at my fingertips, I was able to save some time in this Kdenlive project. And two, if I for some reason needed to add another Kdenlive effect, I can. I hope you have enjoyed this Kdenlive video and found it helpful in some fashion, and if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? After all, it is free. The intro and extro of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.